So for today's video I am doing one straight line and halfway I can do plus sign here. Now from the top I will draw one line and this side one rectangle shape and this side one rectangle shape, and this one I will pull just slightly down. So this line can be a little bit down, a little bit up, so I'm not that much worried about that. Here I'm going to chop this one and make it curvy here, and same thing I will do this corner, and this is going to be the bottom part for the face, and it will go here. So it's going a little bit down, you can pull a little bit down. Now I don't need these ones. Now from the top I will leave little bit of space over here and try to go down when I'm turning, kind of like a slightly alphabet S style. So this one I will curve here, so you can see it's going a little bit kind of like a cheek style, and then going in slightly, then again making curve here and going up here. Same thing I'm going to draw this side. So when I'm drawing, I'm also looking for the shape. So this one I feel like it's going really in. Instead of that, I will try to make it not that much gap here. When this one is going in a little bit more, I want this one to be a little bit squarey or rectangular shape, not triangle. When you draw, you have to do these details by looking. Now from this corner over here, this is the corner, a little bit I will start from here and I will curve this one, and same thing, tiny curve here, and then I will go here. So we can pick 2 points from here and then we have to curve this side. Again, this is the corner, I will just leave a little bit of space here. I will curve this one and I will take 1 point from here, the way I did here. Same thing I'm going to curve here. Now I'm going to leave little bit space over here and getting idea like this point I am going to draw. So this is the curve, and from here I'm going to start and I'm going to turn this one up. Again, it's kind of like alphabet S over here. Same thing same gap I will do this side, and same thing I will do this side too, just like a mirror image. Now under this one, before I will draw the eye, I have to know where the mouth will go. So this is the part, this is the cheek part, so I'm going to draw the line over here, so I will know the mouth part will be under this one. Maybe I will pull this one up a little bit. Make it a little bit long. This eye is going to be more close to this line. So let's start from here. And I will give you, right now this one looks bigger than this one, so let's fix this part. from here we can pull this one and we can make it lighter here. From here I'm going to pull this one down, this one also down here, and I will start from here, curve, go this side, curvy, close to this line. I will draw drop shape for both sides. From here to here, and now I'm going to draw the bottom line. So I will start under this, and so we can see the gap here, same gap I will put this side, and if I will do half here, it will go just a little bit down. So this one will come here like this, and from here another line will come, and we have to just think like a long U for the shape. So this is body, so from body I'm pulling these two lines over here like that, and then it's going to be just under this one. This is the place we are going to put the tummy part, and this is going to be the back part over here, and this side we cannot see that much, so we are going to pull this one under this line. This side we can see more. So this is the line, so when we are doing this one we cannot pull really down here, just slightly, and make it a little bit curvy here. Now from here we have to draw two of them, so from here I will go all the way down, means little bit gap, and from here alphabet V style, and I will curve this one and I will connect with this kind of like alphabet C over here. So this one is going to smaller and this one is going to be a little bit wider. So this one right now looks a little bit sharp, so I'm going to make it more softer. Now from this one I'm going to pick from this one. So this one is coming from this arch, and this one will come from this arch. Same thing, and from here the way we did, same thing, this area is going to be a little bit bigger, and then so this one is going a little bit out. Instead of that we can draw here and then we can arrange like that. So this one we will not go out, we will make sure this one is kind of like a straight or very slightly curved, not like this one. I have to fix over here. So just think like alphabet U and another alphabet U, and this one is going this side, this one is going this side, and there will be lots of shading will be here. Same thing we will do here, one alphabet U, the other one is going this side, and shading will be here. Now the eye part, we are going to draw one eye is here, the circle shape or ellipse shape. The other one is just opposite here. And then reflection will be here, same place reflection will be here. So right now I can see the whole thing. I really want to chop this one little bit in, so it will be more. And this is the line, and this is the line for the side. Now under this one I will start from here. I will go make curvy line, and then again alphabet S over here pointing, and I will start from here, same thing whatever I did. I will go closer to this line now, and I will leave it here. Now under this line I will start from here, and I will try to make it pointed here. Same thing I will do here. And from here we can think like alphabet S over here. Now I can compare these two. This one looks really small compared to the other one. And eyes look smaller than this one. I want eyes to be really big and this one has to be small. So let me fix a little bit more here.